Hello and welcome to the channel. Today I will show you how you can turn off keyboard sounds on your Android device. So we start from the opening the keyboard. So tap on the text field anywhere and you can see here I have a keyboard sounds and I want to turn it off. Just open the settings, go to the preferences and look for sound, under key tap. Just switch it off and now your keyboard should be quiet. That's it, thanks for watching. Leave us a subscribe, recommend and goodbye.